Namaste students, my name is Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we are going to discuss theory session that is from introduction and scope of microbial processes, and the subject is fermentation technology. So what is the microbial processes and what is its scope? So microbial processes generally this is belongs to the fermentation, and in the biochemistry the fermentation is described as the extraction of energy from carbohydrates in the absence of oxygen. So in the food production field, it is defined as any process in which the activity of microorganisms bring about a desirable change to a foodstuff or beverages. So this science of fermentation is also known as the zymology. So in microorganisms, fermentation is the primary means of producing ATP by the degradation of organic nutrients anaerobically. So this generally occurs in anaerobic conditions. So humans have used fermentation to produce foodstuffs and beverages since the uh, Neolithic age. And for example, fermentation is used for preservation in a process that produces lactic acid found in such sour foods as pickled cucumbers, kombucha, kimchi, and yogurt, as well as for producing alcoholic beverages such as the wine and beer. Fermentation it also occurs within the gastrointestinal tract of all animals, including humans. So, what is the scope of microbial processes? So, the major organisms used in the industrial microbiology are fungi, including the yeast and molds, and certain prokaryotes, in particular species of the genus Saccharomyces. Industrial microorganisms can be thought of as metabolic specialists capable of synthesizing one or more products in high yield. So, industrial microbiologists often use classical genetic methods to select high-yielding microbial variants. So, with the goal being to increase the yield of product to the point that an economically feasible process is possible. Thus, the behavior in the actual production strain may be far removed from that of the original wild type strain. The use of microbes to obtain a product or the service of economic value constitutes industrial microbiology. Any process mediated by or involving microorganisms in which a product of economic values is obtained is called the fermentation. So the terms in industrial microbiology and the fermentation are virtually synonymous in their scope, objectives, activities, and the microbial product. They may be microbial cells, they may be living or dead, the microbial biomass, components of microbial cells. Microbial metabolites, it may be intracellular or extracellular enzymes, it may be chemical products or by the microbes utilizing the medium constraints or the provided substrate modified compound that has been microbiologically transformed. The product may be a recombinant product through a DNA recombinant technology. The services generated by microorganisms ranges from the degradation of the organic waste, detoxification of industrial waste and toxic compounds, the degradation of petroleum to manage oil spills. The industrial microbiology also encompasses activities like production of biocontrol agents, inoculants used as biofertilizer, biofuel, etc. So the activities in industrial microbiology begin with the isolation of microorganisms from the nature, their screening for product formation, improvement for product yields, maintenance for cultures, mass culture using bioreactors, and usually end with the recovery of products and their purification. So hope you are satisfied with this detailed session. If you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve that. And this session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.